Welcome to Dr. Rao's lecture series. Topic of this video: Engineering Mechanics, Basic Problems in Statics. Consider a problem. A light rod AB 200 mm long rests on two legs whose distance apart is 100 mm. How must it be placed so that the reactions of the legs may be equal when weights of 2W and 3W respectively are suspended from A and B? Let the legs be E and F. The given problem can be represented as shown in the below figure. E and F are two legs. AB is length of the rod. At the point of A, 2W load is acting downwards. At the point of B, 3W load is acting. Since it is given that reactions at E and F are equal, each reaction will be 1 by 2 2W plus 3W. That is, it is 5 by 2 W. Let the distance AE be x, then FB equal to 200 minus x minus 100, that is 100 minus x mm. As the rod being in equilibrium, the algebraic sum of the moments of the forces about any point must be 0. Taking moments about point E, moment of weight 2W equal to 2W into x is anti-clockwise direction. Moment of weight 3W is 3W into 200 minus x. This is in clockwise direction. Moment of reaction at F, this 5 by 2 W equal to 5 by 2 W into 100 mm. This is anti-clockwise. Equating the clockwise moments to the anti-clockwise moments, 3W into 200 minus x equal to 2wx plus 5 by 2 W into 100. Cancelling W on both sides and simplifying, 200 minus x equal to 2 by 3 x plus 250 by 3. By simplifying, we will get the value of x as 70 mm. That is, AE is 70 mm. The value of FB is 100 minus x, 100 minus 70, it is 30 mm. Consider another problem. Determine the forces exerted on the cylinder at B and C by the spanner wrench shown in the figure due to a vertical force of 25 newtons applied to the handle as shown. Neglect friction at B. Taking free body diagram of the system. This is a free body diagram. Forces on wrench are: applied force 25 newtons at a distance of 30 centimeter from center. Reaction due to cylinder at B, RB. As there is no friction at B, RB will act along OB. Reaction RC at C. The direction of reaction is not known, as point C is like a hinged contact between cylinder and wrench. RC can be assumed as RCY, vertical component of reaction RC, RCX, horizontal component of reaction RC. Taking moments about C, RB into 6.25 equal to 25 into 30. The value of RB is 120 newtons. Equating forces along horizontal direction, RCX plus RB equal to 0. RCX is minus RB, that is minus 120 newtons. The value of RCX is 120 newtons. The negative sign indicates that RCX is along a negative direction of x-axis. Equating forces along vertical direction, RCY equal to 25 newtons. Resultant reaction RC at C equal to root over RCX square plus RCY square, that is 123 newtons. The angle of inclination of RC with horizontal equal to tan inverse RCY divided by RCX, and its value will be 11.75 degrees.